Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make engaging slide transitions in PowerPoint. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. Okay, so if you want to add transitions between slides, like if you move from one slide to the next slide, there should be a very cool looking animation or a transition that you can say. So how you can basically add this? Okay, so first of all you will basically select your transition your slide here, and up here you can see this transition tab here. Okay, so what you are gonna have to do here basically that when this slide will open up, it should be open up with a very cool looking transition effect. Okay, so let's suppose if you want this transition here, you will click on this one and it will appear like this. If you want this one, it will appear like this. Okay, so now it is basically this transition is basically applied on this slide here. Okay, and if you want to apply the same transition on all of the slides, you will just click on this apply to all, and here we have also this effect option as well, right? Like this shape will be in circle or in diamond, whatever you want, in a plus shape, whatever you want. Okay. Then you will select your second slide, and maybe you want to push it from bottom, so click on this one and it is applied on this slide as well. Then this one, fade in. Okay, so now we will go into this slideshow mode, and when we move to the second slide and then this one, so that's how basically you can add multiple cool looking transitions between slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.